gosh, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be packing. We are going on a trip. We are going to Dallas this weekend. I'm super excited. Haven't gone anywhere in a while, so this is kind of like exciting for me. You know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so anytime we go out of town, I just get super hype about it. And yeah, I already kind of started putting things on the bed, trying to pick out what outfits I want to wear. I'm not sure what I want to wear. I know Friday morning we have a little birthday party that we need to go to, so I don't really know like what we're gonna be doing in Dallas. We're just gonna go with the flow, okay? I am going to be vlogging it. I won't put the vlog up probably until I get back, just because I don't have a laptop, and if I edit on my phone it just would not be good quality editing, you know? So I'm just gonna wait and upload the vlog when I get back. Not only do I have to pack for me, but I also have to pack for my twin. I gotta pack for my little girl. She's just laying in bed right now. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna stop talking and let's just go ahead and start getting to this packing. Okay guys, so for Amaya's outfits, I just have this cute elephant romper, and then I have these biker shorts with like sparkles. Aren't they cute? And this onesie that says cute since day one. This yellow onesie with the shorts to match. Then I have these blue shorts with this blue tank top onesie, and these white leggings and this crop top with the tie. And then this is just an extra outfit. You should always have an extra outfit if you have a baby. I just have this pink onesie with these black leggings. Shoes, I really didn't know what to bring, so I ended up getting my Nike slides, and then I have like these really cute sandals that I basically wear every time I wear my jeans. Same with these shoes, and then I have my Adidas Boost right there. Those are my babies. I love those shoes right there. Yeah, so that's pretty much the shoes that I'm wearing. For my shoes, I have her little Vans, these cute little Birkenstock looking sandals. So she likes to wear these outside, so these are going to be perfect for the lake. And I always bring a brand new pack of wipes and a brand new pack of diapers, just because I'm always scared I'm going to run out of something. And I have 3 little swim diapers. So now all I have to do is pack my skincare routine stuff, my makeup, which I don't really wear like foundation and stuff, so it's literally just the little things. Hey guys, so it is the next morning and I am exhausted. I did not go to bed till like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, and my eyes are like crusted and I'm just looking a hot mess. I finished packing clothes, but I'm gonna double check just because it was so late last night. I'm pretty sure I might have forgot something, so I'm gonna double check. Let's make sure we have everything, and then I'm about to shower right now. I need to nair my legs, and then I'm just gonna get ready for the day, and then I have to load everything in the car. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get out of the shower. Okay, you guys, so I am ready. I'm dressed. I'm literally just wearing this shirt that I got whenever I went on my cruise, some athletic shorts, and my slides. I already have pretty much everything packed in the car. I just need to put the air mattress, and I have that sitting right here. So I'm just gonna put that in the car. That's pretty much it for this video. I just have to get Amaya dressed. Stay tuned for a vlog, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.